Hey everyone, in this project I built a meeting scheduler automation using Gmail and Google Calendar in N10 to completely automate the meeting booking process. The workflow begins with a Gmail trigger that continuously watches for new emails in inbox. When an email arrives, the workflow automatically captures the message's details. An AI agent node powered by Google Gemini reads the email content and extracts key information such as the requested date, time, sender, and receiver details. Then the parsed data is then cleaned and structured through a function node. Next, a switch node identifies whether the email is a new meeting request, reschedule, confirmation, or cancellation. For new meeting requests, the workflow checks the Google Calendar to see if the requested slot is available. If the time is free, it automatically creates a calendar event for that meeting. If there's a conflict, the workflow intelligently calculates the next few available slots and sends an automatic reschedule email suggested a new meeting time. When a cancellation email is detected, the workflow retrieves the matching event and deletes it from Google Calendar, then sends a confirmation reply acknowledging the cancellation. Now let's test the workflow. First of all, I'm going to send a dummy email in which I'm mentioning a meeting time, date, and sender and receiver names. Let's send it. It's a 15 November. Let's check our calendar. 15 November. All slots are available. The mail has arrived in our Gmail account. Now let's execute the workflow. The Gmail trigger watches for an email. It got the email successfully. Let's check. The AI agent retrieves the mail details. Function node has passed the details. Requested date 15 November, time 4:30, name, all the details are perfect. The switch node has sent it to create on the basis of email type. Check calendar. The slot is available too. If node filtered, create event. The event has created successfully and a confirmation mail is sent. The workflow executed successfully for create events. Let's check the Google Calendar and event is created at 4:30 and a confirmation email is sent as well. Perfect. Now let's send this mail again to check the conflict. I'm sending the same email again to see how a workflow handling a conflict scenario. Let's send it again. Let's zoom it. Let's execute the workflow. This time it check the if node, go to the find next slot and let's see from here. Although let's start from here. Email type, new meeting request, create, it send it to create. Check note available false because we already have a event at that time. If not, send it to false and find next slot. These are available slot at 2:30, 3:30, 4:30 we have an event, 5:30 and 6:30. The loop get event node and filter the first slot available, which is the 2:30 slot. So we have sent the email to ask for them if they are agree on it, and it's a mail. We notice that your requested meetings on this time is conflict with another event. Could we reschedule it to this time? She had requested for 4:30 slot, but the reschedule time is at 2:30. So reply of this mail, let's do it at 2:30 p.m. The email has sent. This is the mail. Currently, we do not have any event at 2:30 time slot. Let's execute the workflow. This time it will reschedule the email, reschedule the meeting for 2:30 time slot. AI agent is analyzing the workflow, creating the event, and it has successfully created at 2:30 time slot. Let's check it here. The message type is confirmation of reschedule and a switch node send it to confirmation email. Then the check calendar available to and so on. Now if we want to delete any such meeting or cancel of meeting, let's check that. I'd like to inform you that I can't attend a meeting scheduled at 2:30 due to some emergency meeting. Subject cancel meeting request and send an email. Let's send it. The email has arrived. Let's execute the workflow again. This time it will reach here to delete the event and it's here. extract meeting details, cancel meeting, email type, topic, cancel meeting request. And let's check a 2:30 slot event has been deleted successfully. And we also got the confirmation mail. Let's see that. Yes. Thanks for informing. Your slot has been cancelled. This end-to-end workflow uses Gmail, Google Calendar, AI, and automation logic to handle meeting requests, conflict, and cancellations, all without any manual effort. Thanks for watching.